heating, no electricity, no cooking sometimes. Sometimes electricity they have only 2 hours during day or night, sometimes 6 hours, again lottery. What we can do? We can't change this situation, but what we can do, like organization. In May, our young boys organized international conference. They had speech in English. They had speech Ukrainian. So just now we can share this conference, and all people around the world can see how Ukrainian young men develop their skills. This is important. I just coordinated them. They organized international conference ourselves. June and July, 3 Ukrainian doctors from National Hospital and Cardio Center had a training course in Great Ormond Street Hospital in London, 1.5 months. It's really deep and wide experience. And it's just not a training course, it's really big project. Because when they came back to Ukraine, they organized like training course for Ukrainian doctors from different regions.